for question number 1, explanation of the problem and system solution. For the problem, students have difficulty manage their study time. For example, a lot of students will focus more on some subject because they will think that subject is really hard to score except the other subject. They also doesn't have a proper way to manage their study hours. So for the solution to solve this problem, we develop a system using Python and Streamlit where students can enter their study hours. The system function to calculate total of study time. It also shows the result using charts which students can know their study hours for every day easily. And the last one, it can help students to improve their study habits.
For the demonstration part, I will show how our Streamlit application works. Firstly, this is our main interface where we display the title of the system, which is Student Study Hours Analysis System. Next, we have the student information section. Here, users are required to enter their name and student ID. This helps identify the user and personalize the output. After that, we move to the weekly study hours input section. In this part, user needs to enter the number of hours they are study for each subject, which are Python programming, database system, networking, web development, and data analysis. Once all the data is entered, the user can click the Analyze Study Data button. The system will then process the data. Below that, the result will be displayed. The system shows the total weekly study hours, the average study hours, and also identify which subject has the highest study time. Finally, we display a bar chart to comparing study hours for each subject. Overall, the interface is simple, user-friendly, and easy to use for students to track and analyze their study time.
For function and modules, in our system, we use function to organize the code properly. For example, function to calculate total weekly study hours, function to calculate study hours, and function to find highest subject. Using function, it can make the program more structured, readable, and easier to maintain. Lastly, for OOP, which is Object-Oriented Programming, we implemented Object-Oriented Programming using a class. For example of class is student. And then for example of attribute is name, ID, and study hours. And lastly, for method is calculate total and average.